magazine 17, part kit 64. Now this is a big piece. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here, another Star Trek Next Generation Build the Enterprise D model review build by Eaglemoss HeroCollector. 17 we're up to now, and we have part kit 64, which I'll go through the parts on here with you. We have 4 bits. We have the ventral phaser array, LO5, nacelle pylon skeleton. We have nacelle pylon side panel. Okay, what's that? And we have CP, like CP screws, 2 + 1 spare. So we'll ignore that one for a bit, because that was like the same as the last one. So 64. Okay. Doesn't seem to be much in here. Where's the screws? They're all in there. So let me get these out, because there's a lot of package on here to try and keep things in place, even though I don't think that's actually clipped into place properly. Give me a second. We'll just unpackage this. So yeah, like the last one, not much parts, but this is quite a big one. It isn't clicked in place, it's down there, that should be there. That doesn't matter so much, I don't think it's moulded properly anyway. That bit, not this bit. Look at that. It's exciting, every so often you get one of these, which has got the extra bits on it. CP screws, there's 3 there. I'll just put them into there, in the pot you can't see, just off screen. 1, 2, 3. Bin the rubbish. There's less rubbish on these kits than what they were before. So we've got a phaser bank, we've got 2 things all over the floor. Things. So what's it want? Identify which direction this thing is, so it's that way around. That's if this is forward, then we can stick the pylon, the nacelle on this side. So that's not too bad. I don't think we'll do that until right at the end. It'll be like click, click. So we need identify the nacelle pylon. Yes, it's not this way around, Ralph. It's that way around, because these go forward. So it is the port side, because it slopes forward and these nacelles go forward. Good. So where do these go? Eh? Oh, yeah, Ralph. Okay, so it was that way then. To do slightly, because that is the back end of the ship, because of the shape of them. But this is port, that's starboard. So we're actually doing the wrong side. So what is this? They're curved at the bottom. So they will be for locking things in place, locking the nacelles in place. So they just push fit in. I assume that they're probably breakable in case you ever need to get inside them and repair. So you can get in. So that's that bit done. Okay. Really? Is that all that part is? Oh. Okay. Disappointment. Right. Okay. Retrieve the deck panel from last time. I'm 63. I really should have put this one as a one-parter with both of these, because this is going to be exceptionally quick. Yeah. Get 2 CP screws. Try and get 2, which I have. I feel like I've diddled you here, you know, because I think this is probably it. I think there's only 1 page on this, but it's the biggest bit we've had in quite a long time. But still, it's just, you know. See, the thing with it is this part here hasn't got the NCC in white on there, so we have to be putting this bit on as well. Not sure about the rest. That might be already on. The bits underneath here, there's a lot of already been stuck on, but there are bits of 1701 all over this. That's a bit dodgy. Is that a crack there or something? Uneven that is. Hopefully this will launch underneath like the last ones. It will just be set and flush underneath it. The part in front. I don't know. Why is that part not being put in right? I've not. That's really loose. The lifeboat. It is tight, it's just, oh no it's not. So it looks like I forgot. Maybe like the last one where it was there, it just didn't, yeah, one of the windows moved, so it didn't actually go flush in place. Let me just check. Yeah, 65. Okay, there's going to be assembly of another part on top of this. Right, that is probably the quickest part I've ever done. If it came weekly, I think I'd be a little disappointed, because all you got was that, which is a big piece, 2 pieces stick onto it, and then you got that from last time, and you're just putting your phaser array on, which they forgot from last. Okay. So, sorry about that. We'll come back for tomorrow for another better one. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Help me out with this kit if you wouldn't mind, with the patronage. The links are in the description below. I'll see you in another video. Talk to me on social media. Talk to me in comments. I reply to everybody, really. I don't mind the chat. So, yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.